Okay, so you're ready to learn about stainless steel pipes in Dubai. I know you are.
Sounds good.
We're going deep today on this market, and we got some interesting material to look at.
All right.
It's almost like a crash course in figuring out all these suppliers,
Yeah.
which in a market like Dubai's is super important.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Did you know that both construction and oil and gas industries are driving a massive demand for stainless steel pipes in Dubai?
Yeah, those are two huge industries over there.
Huge.
So it makes sense.
Yeah.
That's a lot of pipes.
The first thing I see here is this emphasis on quality and reliability.
Right.
It's like the source material is saying, a good supplier doesn't just deliver pipes, they deliver peace of mind. But how crucial is that peace of mind in reality?
Oh, it's incredibly crucial. It's not just like a feel-good factor. It's fundamental to the whole operation. Imagine a major construction project, and they use subpar pipes.
Oh, no.
You're talking about potential leaks, corrosion, even structural failures later on, not to mention the cost of repairs and delays, but it also puts lives at risk.
Wow. Yeah, I can remember a case where a project in the region had to be completely stopped because the pipes couldn't handle the pressure they were supposed to. Setbacks like that can cost millions and really damage a company's reputation.
So, okay, that really puts into perspective, how do we evaluate these suppliers then?
Yeah, that's a good question.
This source material talks about evaluating suppliers and specifically mentions certifications like ASTM and ISO.
Sure.
What's the deal with those? They sound important, but are they just fancy labels?
No, they're much more than just labels. Think of ASTM and ISO certifications as like a DNA test for your stainless steel pipes.
Okay.
It's telling you exactly what the steel's made of,
Yeah.
how thick the pipe is, and how it performs under stress pressure, even extreme temperatures.
Yeah.
Like ASTM A312 covers seamless and welded austenitic stainless steel pipes.
And then you have all these different grades, which specify the chromium and nickel content, which all impact corrosion resistance. These certifications mean the pipes have gone through tons of tests and meet international standards, for strength, durability, and corrosion resistance.
So it's basically like a guarantee that the pipes will work the way they're supposed to.
Exactly. But a smart buyer doesn't just trust what the supplier says. You could actually check these certifications.
Oh, really?
Yeah, there are online databases where you can look up and cross-reference the certifications. You can even dig into the specifics of each test the pipes went through.
That's really good to know. It's not just about trusting what you hear, but doing your own research.
Right.
Now let's talk about cost.
Sure.
The source material calls this section beyond the price tag and suggests that we shouldn't just choose the cheapest option. But let's be honest, everybody loves a bargain, right?
Of course we all do. But when it comes to stainless steel pipes, a lower price often means they're skimping on quality. Yeah, could be using a lower grade of steel or taking shortcuts during manufacturing. I've seen suppliers use thinner pipe walls just to cut costs, which you might not notice right away, but can cause problems later on. And remember, we're talking about materials under immense pressure sometimes in really harsh environments. That's why transparency in pricing is super important.
Okay.
A good supplier is going to break down their costs and explain exactly what you're paying for.
So it's not just about getting a low price, but understanding why the price is low.
Exactly.
But couldn't there be other reasons a supplier might offer a lower price? Like what if they just have a more efficient way of doing things?
Yeah, for sure. Maybe they've got bulk discounts or they've streamlined their logistics.
Oh.
The key is to just ask the right questions. Don't be afraid to ask why a price is so much lower. A trustworthy supplier will be happy to answer those questions.
Transparency and open communication seem to be themes here.
Definitely.
The last segment, accessibility and service, talks about the benefits of using a local supplier in Dubai. Is it all about getting faster deliveries?
That's a big part of it for sure. Dubai's construction and energy sectors move so fast. Delays can be a huge problem. A local supplier means quicker turnaround times, almost like just-in-time deliveries.
Wow.
But it's not just the logistics. Imagine you run into a technical problem or need to change the design. Or you need to figure out Dubai's import-export regulations, which can be really complicated. Having a local partner who knows the ropes, who speaks the language, can be so helpful. They can be like an extension of your own team, offering tech support, troubleshooting, and even helping you with the bureaucratic stuff.
So are you saying that the perfect supplier isn't just a vendor, but a real partner?
Exactly.
Someone you work with during the whole process.
Someone you can trust.
Huh?
Building a good long-term relationship with a supplier in Dubai can give you a real edge, makes everything smoother, fewer headaches, and ultimately a more successful project.
All right, so sourcing stainless steel pipes in Dubai is more than just buying something. It's about knowing the quality standards, checking certifications, looking past just the price tag, and talking openly with your supplier.
Right. And as you look more into this market, I want you to think about something. What are the specific things your project needs? Are there environmental factors, pressure requirements, or regulations you need to think about? If you can answer these questions, you'll find the right partner to make your project successful.